morning, Yukti. How are you?
I am fine.
Very good, beta. Write down A to Z alphabet on the board. Start now.
A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for galla. G for galla. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. Monkey. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
हे KG1च्या बाळानं खूप छान प्रकारे लिहिलं आहे. या लहानशा बाळाच्या प्रश्नांसाठी लाईक अँड सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.